When cat Notka listens to the story about the cat whose name is White Paws, she starts to think about her own paws, because they're also white. She certainly likes her white paws. Who wouldn't? But she knows that a person may be called White Paws, especially if he's a cat. So, her perfect white paws have nothing to do with a character with unusual name White Paws. She remembers chapter 1 about strange things that happened in the house. White Paws is a black cat who lives in a large house. The house is situated in the outskirts, quite near a forest. But White Paws never goes there alone, because he heard about small forest people. He heard about them a lot of times. The forest people don't like cats, and they also don't like when children go to a forest without grown-ups. So Notka can't go to the forest, though she would like to.